Hi guys, it's Giselle. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I have an unboxing and review of Burga cases. Now, if you've never heard of Burga, I'm gonna be a little shocked. Only because these ads pop up all over the place. And maybe it's because they just know what I like. If you're going on Instagram, Facebook, I feel like every advertisement was for the Burga cases. I bit the bullet and I placed an order a couple months ago. I'll be honest with you. I've already unboxed it and I've already started using one of the cases so I can give you an honest review of the cases. Here's the bubble wrap it came in. Well, obviously you have good taste. Thank you. I know I do. All right, so let me give you a little background information on this Burga order. I purchased it on July 23rd. It shipped out on July 26th. And I received it on August 5th. Now, that's like what, 2 weeks? Not bad. When I placed my order with Burga, I didn't realize that I was purchasing something from another country, Lithuania to be exact. But I was pleasantly surprised that it didn't take that long to arrive. Usual delivery times, I guess, in the US are 7 to 15 days. And since we're in the middle of the COVID situation, I was pretty impressed that it arrived that quickly. There was free shipping on my order, and I purchased 4 phone cases, and they were running a special, and they're always running really good deals. So when I processed my order, they had a deal where if you bought 2 cases, you got 2 additional cases for free. Let me break down the pricing for you. I got what is considered the tough case. There are 2 types of cases you can get. They have a snap case, which is $25.95 each, or the tough case, which is $31.95 each. Purchase 2, get 2 free. I ended up spending $15.98 per case, which I think is a really good deal. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Giselle, why do you need that many phone cases? Because it's like an accessory, you know? Purse, shoes, phone case. So the great thing about the Burga website is I love the fact that unlike a lot of these other companies that do phone cases, or even if you're just walking through the mall or the stores, every phone case that is available is for an iPhone. Not everybody in the world has an iPhone. I was really excited that they had different types of phone cases. Let's dive right in. In here, they sent the 4 cases, and they came in these beautiful, absolutely stunning velvet cases, velvet bags. And these seriously feel so luxe. Like, oh, I can't even tell you. These are great. Like, I think these are great too to like store sunglasses or other little things. They just feel so soft. I'm gonna show you the case that I'm currently using. And this is their most popular case. This is called the Almond Latte. So that's what it looks like. It is just gorgeous. Down the bottom here, you can't really see it, but maybe I can zoom in. Okay, so it does say Burga down there in a very like light color. You can customize these for a higher price point. I think that's pretty cool that you can customize them if you like. So that is the Almond Latte one. That's the one I'm currently using. Today's September 5th, so exactly 1 month that I've had this phone case, and I love it. There hasn't been any scratches on it, nothing, really durable. I'm not one to really drop my phone. Fingers crossed that it doesn't happen now. I probably just jinxed myself. I really like it. Really like it. Super shiny, super luxe looking. So that's the first one. Second one I have to show you is called Mystic River. And I absolutely love this one. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, so you can see a little bit better on this one, the Burga logo and the name right there. So that's what it looks like. Now, this comes with two pieces. The tough cases have this rubberized silicone interior first, which adds a little extra layer of protection. And then you have the outer case right here, which snaps on. Next up, we have the Mermaid Crown. And this one I absolutely love. It's got like this very cotton candy-ish, cloudy type of look to it. It's just really pretty. Last and certainly not least is what they're calling the Wild Pomegranate. And it's this super red snake skin. Oh, this is so sassy. I love this one. Look at that. So pretty. The four that I got. As I mentioned, $15.98 a case with the buy two, get two free. The tough case, which is the dual layer shock absorbing, it's got a TPU on the inside and a hard plastic polycarbonate shell. If you go onto the Burga website, you will see that they offer not just phone cases, but you can actually match up your phone case with a laptop case and AirPods case. So if you like to be super matchy-matchy, they have tons of different styles and selections. I believe there is a 12-month warranty on their products. I was super happy with the purchase. Love these bags. Love the phone cases. Think they're absolutely adorable. Could definitely get reuse out of these high quality phone cases. That is my review after using this one for a month. If you liked this video, please leave me a like down below. Let me know in the comment section what your favorite phone case is. If you are not already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing below and hitting the little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.